Oh, okay. Back with all secure. Back with the security upgraded pin. It does change it. It took me a second to get into it. I didn't want to make you guys suffer through watching me mess around with it. So I'm gonna go clockwise tension instead of counter. Same Peterson pry bar, same Peterson hook. So there's one. I'm just trying to get it so I have to set one right. Okay, one. So 2, 3, 4. Nothing on 5. So I'm gonna come back to that was 2. Now I'm gonna come back to 1. Alright, I think I got one set, but I dropped some stuff down. 3, 4, 5, nothing. So 2. That's probably 3, 4, 5. Yep. It did exactly what I wanted it to. You have to set it. You set one, but it doesn't go all the way up. So then when you go back through 2, 3, 4, then you have to come back to 1, set one above the shear line, and when it does that, it drops everything else down behind it. So again, it's not like, you know, an exceptionally great security upgrade. 2, 3, 4. But I mean, it does somewhat slow down the person picking it. So, and that first speed pin being set so high really helps it out. I might have overset it, but this is just another, you know, little side project that I just was messing around with and wanted to get on camera. And then 5 should open it because I had number 1 set. But yeah, I mean, that added another 30 seconds to the pick. So that's the all secure upgrade.